Hi, it's Dr. Mercola, and you may not know this about me, but I don't like the taste of coffee. I never have, most likely never will. I'm not saying that to brag, that's just the way it is. However, most of my family and friends thoroughly enjoy the taste of coffee, and they regularly consume it. Most of them are pretty healthy. But we know, and if you just search my site for coffee, you'll see there's a lot of potential problems associated with coffee. And that's not the major evil. Certainly it's not as bad as soda. But wouldn't it be nice to have a healthy alternative? Well, that's what I thought, and I had my team search for one, and we were able to identify an interesting one that is actually used as a far more popular beverage in a country that has 3 times the population of the United States. And that country is India, and that beverage is TULSI. It has another name. It's also known as holy basil. In fact, in India, many, if not most of the families actually grow this plant in their homes. It's looked on with great reverence because it's a big part of the culture. Now, the reason that it is used so commonly for thousands of years is that it produces health benefits. And one of the primary ones is that it is an adaptogen. And what is an adaptogen? An adaptogen is a non-toxic substance that will increase your resistance to stress, to fatigue, to anxiety, and to trauma. So it pushes your body towards health. It's something clearly that coffee doesn't do. So it's interesting that this is the most popular beverage in alternative to coffee in India. And in fact, when we first recognized this, we brought this into our office, and we have over 50 people in our Chicago area office, and most of them have been able to switch away from coffee and are now using TULSI. So it's for those of you who kind of understand and recognize and are not proud the fact that you're using coffee as a beverage, that this is an option. Now, some of the other things that it can do for you, of course, is because it's an adaptogen, and it has also is filled with many potent antioxidants. It can help improve your digestive system. It can help improve your immune system. It can really boost a variety of other important functions in your body. So it's clearly moving your body towards health. Now, interestingly, I'm so enamored with this product, and the company that produces it is called Organic India. And in fact, next month I'm taking a trip to India for nearly 2 weeks. I'll be in India and going to the Tulsi Harvest Festival, which is near the end of November. And I'll clearly be showing much of my trip there on video clips in the future. And this company, let me tell you a little about Organic India, totally committed to local area farming and improving the conditions of the local Indian farmers. And this is all organic. It's certified in some of the most stringent countries in the world, not only the U.S., but Germany and Japan. It's certified organic. And it is really doing quite a bit to improve the economic hardship and conditions of many of these Indian farmers. So there's an amazing story, and we'll talk about it more. But if you're looking for an alternative, I'd encourage you to consider TULSI as an alternative to coffee. It comes in a variety of different packages. This is a box that has some of the tea bags in it, but you can also get it in bulk in tins, and you can actually put it in your coffee maker and make TULSI tea. And the way I like to have it is we'll make the tea out of it, and then cool it down and put ice cubes in it and put a little stevia and have it as an iced tea, a much better iced tea. You have never had an iced tea like TULSI tea sweetened with stevia. It's one of my favorite beverages, and actually I think maybe it is my favorite beverage. So that's just a little tip for you, and hopefully these tips will, as you accumulate them and you adapt them into your lifestyle, will help you and your family continue to improve your lifestyle so that you continue to take control of your health.